whole soya beans, have to put it in a bowl like this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a marathon video. This is a 3 days church vlog. So come with me, let me take you through on how I make my son's pap, the processes, the whole processes I go through making my son's pap, and also making protein powder as well. So stick to this video and enjoy the processes. So some people asking me where I got my corn from. I got my corn from African store. Sometimes I use the broken popcorn if I didn't see the proper corn. So today I came across this white millet. There's no red one, so I had to take this white millet. So the next thing I did is to wash up the corn. After washing the corn, you soak for 3 days. In that 3 days, each day you wash and remove the water till the 3 days. Set aside. In this video, I also want to make a protein powder for my son, but I ended up, burning the unripe plantain, and I had to go back to the market to get another unripe plantain. Do you see that cute tiny hand here? So this time I had to be very, very careful. So I popped that in the oven to dry. So I just finished making jollof rice and some moi moi. I made moi moi and this delicious jollof rice. So it's now time for me to start making my protein powder. Okay, so it's time for me to make the protein powder. So this is what I've been able to achieve that yesterday. Okay, remember the one that I did last time? That one didn't even come out properly. So this is what I've been able to achieve. This is a plantain. This is dry unripe plantain that I peeled, but I don't have the dryer, the food dryer, so I had to dry it with the oven. These are all the things I'll be using in making the protein powder. This is the whole soya beans. This is date. This is a dry date. Instead of using sugar, I use dry dates in incorporating. Then this is crayfish. I'm supposed to use the whole crayfish, but all the crayfish that came from Nigeria for me, all of them were blended. So I had no option than to use the blended crayfish. And this one is my fish. I want to put in this dry fish. And this is the unripe plantain, dry one. So first of all, what you're going to do is to heat up your pan. After heating up your pan, then you introduce the soya beans into the pan. So this is how you keep frying it. Don't leave it at any point. You have to keep on, stirring it. You don't have to leave it at some point. So when you are turning and you start hearing like this, you start hearing it popping, you know that it's ready. So all these ones are the broken ones, like all these black ones are broken ones among them. So broken ones among them, I tend to turn black like this. So what you need to do is you take that off heat, and when you take it off heat, don't leave it in a pan. Put it in a tray. Put it in a tray. Don't leave it in a pan when you take it off heat, because if you leave it in a pan, it's going to burn. But we have to put it in a tray like this. So these are the burnt ones. If you see, these ones are broken, that's why they're burnt. So these are burnt ones. I've selected them, and these ones are good ones. And this is my cheese cloth. I'm going to wrap it around. So you're going to tie it. Then let's start blending. So we have to blend the fish first. In case afterwards, we don't have to blend it together with this. In case after with this, So in case afterwards, if the chaff is still there, you're going to keep it, you know, in order to use it and cook something next time. So this is how you'll be saving the everything out, everything, because there's no big meal. So this is it. Once it's like this, you have to put it back in a blender and blend it the second time. You can blend like 4 or 5 times to remove more of this. So when you are satisfied with the blending, you can now do away with the chaff. Okay, that is how you go about it. Guys, this is not easy at all. I finished tidying up everywhere. This is the powder, the protein powder. This is the chaff, so I'm going to do away with the chaff. This is the pap. I finished with the pap. So what I'm doing now, do you see, is resting. So I'm going to leave it like this. Tomorrow morning I can now take away the water. But this one, I'm going to put it in a container. So I'll be giving it to my son. Whenever I make the pap, I take this. So I finished bathing him. He's okay now. He's so demure. So he's remaining me. I've now taken my bath. So I'll do some unboxing again before I'll now finally take my bath and we finally can sleep. So it's mainly me to bed. I'm just so tired, guys. So I'm going to do some unboxing. Then I will wake up tomorrow to take away this water. Like today, I'm so tired. So the next thing I'll do is to take an empty container and put the powder. That's what I'll do now. So we are packing the protein powder. And it's quite a lot. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, please. Okay? If today is your first time, please subscribe. All this small milk plate that is here. So I wash it tomorrow because make I not come die. Make one 10 times. So this is the amount of what I did, what I've been able to achieve. Do you see? Almost filled to this. It's almost filled. So I need to check this package before I sleep. You know, what are you on top, my papa? Yeah? Hey, well, this is your cap. Oh, boogie. Yeah, bull. If I just wear him this thing now, you rush to the mirror to watch himself. Well, how I be like what again? Mirror. Okay. This is his body. His body stuff that I got. You know, the weather of this UK is so cold. So he puts his leg here. I use this to cover him. It's too much. So I'll use this thing to cover him. I even thought this needs I'll check it if it's inside. If it's not inside, I'll take it back. I'll have to check it in his body. So what is this? Oh, I see your cardigan. Oh, how old is this? Anyway, it's almost similar to the other one. This is not what I want at all. We're going to be a camphor. There you. That's so good. Odogu. See, guys, he's going to look at himself in the mirror. Oh no, this boy is so cute. He's looking at himself in the mirror and admiring his. Guys, it's happening. He wants to look at himself in the mirror. Hey, mommy got you water bottle. I said thank you. Say thank you. Mba, I gotta buy a coat back over. I'm teaching him. Nah, Piakeva. I know you are so smart. You're a very smart boy. Then Ingocha, Icho. Ngamepe. Very smart. I trust you. I trust your way. No. Iga say asa. Iga say me. Oh no, this thing is too small. If I were to way. So this is a pointer. Pointer that I want to use this pointer to teach him. This is a pointer. 1, 2. I got a calendar here. So this is your pointer to teach him. Because of all those excess skin in your feet. And this one is the cuticles for excess flesh in your nails. So that is all I got though. And I bought these clothes for myself. These clothes. I believe in God. So I bought these clothes for myself. And I was very mindful. I got it for myself. After wearing this clothes review, how I will look. I know I'm going to look so demure, so mindful, so thoughtful. That is how I will look. So guys, that is for that though. That is for that. You are done unboxing. If you test it tomorrow, if it fits his buggy. If it doesn't fit his buggy, we are returning it. So this is 24 hours after straining the pap. So it has rested properly. So the next thing is just to remove all the water. After removing all the water from the pap, because it's good to leave it for 3 days, for 24 hours, so that everything in it, all the pap is going to rest properly. If you are taking out water, it's water you are taking out. So you're going to use your cheese bag. I don't know what they call it. Is it cheese bag or bag? But we call it apakamu to strain out the water, like the little water in it. So after this, I'm going to keep it and use heavy something to wedge it so that the whole water is going to strain. So this is how the can now come out in solid form. Like it's going to be very solid. Like this, you can take it out, make for your child. So I decided to take it out and make for him and give him. So other ones again, I'm going to tie them and put it in the freezer for it to block. Okay, so as you remove one out of it and put in the fridge, other ones is going to be in the freezer. Whenever the one in the fridge is finished, you're going to bring out the one in the freezer. So do you see how thick this akam is looking? So this is my protein powder I made as well. I added protein powder, I added milk in it, and afterwards you're going to add honey. But if you don't have honey, you're still going to just add this milk and protein powder, and your baby is okay. Guys, if you see my son's skin, you think that I'm using bleaching cream on this boy, not knowing that it's all the things I make for him, and it's all the things that he eats that make his skin to be popping. In as much as my son is not that a chubby baby, but he has a very nice skin, like he's very healthy. So this is him. I told him to pray. Amen. 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 Remember that Bible verse they said, teach a child the way they should follow, in case when they grow, they will not depart from it. My son loved to pray. Do you see how he just prayed? In as much as I didn't hear what he was saying, I know God hear him. Like he loved things of God. If I put NSPPD, he watch. Zion, he watch like he loved God. This is the whole akamo I have been prepping since all this while. And this is the soya beans I made along with the akamu. Guys, applaud this woman. Clap for this woman because it's not easy. This is what I made for my son, for my sucker. So I like doing things for him. I like giving him natural food. I like it when my son is looking healthy. I like it when everything is going on very well with him. Like, I love my son. He's here catching things for me. Look at him. Do you see how beautiful? How beautiful this boy is looking. So demure, so mindful. Do you see how demure this my cute boy is looking? So that's what I made. I like making him to look, anything that I know is going to be fine and make my son good, I give it to him. See? Thank. So this is like back-to-back creation of content. Back to back. So my son just finished taking the bath and he loved the bath. So at this point he's saying bye-bye. Thank you for watching my mommy's video. Please subscribe to my mommy's channel. We love you. That is what he's saying here. And they said, let me give them kiss, mommy. So thank you for watching. Bye, and see you next time.